Comparison between IL2CPP and Mono builds. In Unity, your project can be built using two main scripting backends, Mono and IL2CPP. Both compile your C# script, but they work differently. Mono uses just-in-time compilation or JIT, meaning your code is compiled while the game is running on the user's device. This makes build time faster during development, which is great for testing and iteration. IL2CPP, on the other hand, uses the ahead of time compilation or AOT. First, it converts your C# code into C++, then compiles that C++ code into native machine code before the game runs. This makes IL2CPP builds slower to compile, but they run faster and more efficiently. Mono builds are great for development and quick testing, while IL2CPP builds are ideal for final release, especially on the platforms like Android, iOS, and console, where performance and compatibility matter. In short, Mono is for speedy development and IL2CPP for high performance and platform support.